that you use in winemaking or in brewing. And you can use that. It's a no rinse type of cleaner, and that's what I used on the plastic and on the spoon. But on metal, so if you have metal or glass, put them in the oven, bake them for about 10 minutes. You won't get any hard water deposits on it. And then you can sanitize it that way, just like you could if you were canning. So I'm going to stir this up real good. Once it gets stirred up, then it may take anywhere from 2 to 24 hours depending on the temperature. The warmer the temperature, the faster it'll start, the yeast will start growing. So I'm going to stir that up real good. I'm not going to sit here and make you watch all of this, but I'll stir it up, get a really good consistency, and then put the lid on it and store it. Right now I'm going to store it at room temperature, and I may wait till tomorrow. But tomorrow, instead of adding yeast water again, I'll add a cup of distilled water and then a cup of flour to feed the yeast that are already in there. And I'll do that for about 3 days. Move that out of the way. This is day 2 of the yeast. So you notice right here, I drew a line. It's risen a little bit. Let's listen to it and see if it makes a sound. Oh yeah, so we got a little bit of pressure there. So all we're gonna do now, we don't have to add any more yeast water. We're gonna add in some more flour. So this is more of the bread flour. And then just distilled water and mix it up. I know I'm making a mess, but that's fine. I put a little extra in there because I knew I was gonna have trouble dropping it in here. Right, same amount of water. Got our distilled water. There we go. Now we mix it up. So we'll mix this up real good, and then once it settles, I'll measure the line, and we'll do this one more day, and we should have enough starter dough to bake with, and we won't use it all. We'll just use the percentage of it, and then we'll keep feeding it, and we can put it in the fridge to slow down the process so we don't have to feed it as often. Alright, this is day 3, so I'm going to add some flour, some of the bread flour to the yeast. That's what I should have used before. This time I'm only going with a half cup. I'm getting near the top and I need a little bit of space, so this will have enough oxygen and won't die off. There we go. So now I can stir that up, and this will be the last day that I add flour and distilled water to it, or at least the last day before I've used it. All the raisins have floated to the top. I'll stir it real good. Looking good. Smells good. So tomorrow I'll go ahead and make the dough, and then I'll have to let it rise, and then we'll be ready for baking.